السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm editing my video with Filmora 9.
What kind of YouTube videos do you make?
Makeup videos.
Which one's better?
So my favorite feature of the iPhone is...
What's so funny?
No more treats for you.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why? Whoa, your video's going viral! Is that all for you? Why is your room a mess?
This is what happened.
No!
Yo, dude, check this out.
Another late night at the office?
Need to work on my transitions.
Hey, are you okay?
I thought he was the one.
Hey, check this out.
Oh wow, where's this?
Hawaii.
I just arrived like
Whoa,
this morning.
you might want to vlog that. So, what's your story?
Camtasia 9 has been rebuilt from the ground up to help you produce stunning videos without being a professional video editor. With a modern UI, the features you know and love are easier to find, and the refreshed editor is now even easier to use. Drag and drop on the timeline or directly onto the canvas. The asset library has been completely refreshed and stocked with sharp new animated backgrounds, modern callouts, motion graphics, and professional music tracks, all designed to increase the production quality of your videos. Camtasia 9 introduces behaviors, attention-grabbing animation effects you can drag and drop onto text, video, annotations, or assets from the library. Behaviors are customizable and are a huge time saver over manually animating content. Visual effects have been updated with a new color adjustment effect. Control the color of your video or screencast to improve your image or add an artistic touch. Now you can harness the full power of your computer with Camtasia's new 64-bit engine. Editing on the timeline is smoother with increased performance, and exporting videos is faster than ever. And for the first time, Camtasia 9 for PC and Camtasia 3 for Mac have common project files. Open a project on either platform for greater collaboration, no matter what operating system you use. Camtasia 9 is the tool for creating amazing videos. Current customers can take advantage of upgrade pricing to enjoy everything Camtasia 9 has to offer.